Istanbul, Turkey. A fire has broken out on the 920-foot oil tanker Tapeo, the largest ship in the Turkish tanker fleet. Firefighters struggle to extinguish the blaze as it grows increasingly out of control. The fire eventually spreads to the ship's holding tank, which contains 500 tons of crude oil. The blast from the ignited fuel sends a 20-ton steel hatch cover hurling across the bay. It crashes down onto two nearby tankers, severely damaging both. The force of the explosion shatters windows a mile and a half away. As night falls, the fire intensifies. Smaller explosions repeat throughout the night. Some uncomfortably close for firefighters. Fireboats move in to battle the flames. The fire's temperature now exceeds 3,000 degrees. Water is poured on the tanker for 12 straight hours. By daylight, the flames are brought under control, and the full extent of the damage is revealed. The extreme temperatures have mangled most of the tanker's steel hull, leaving it charred and brittle. Luckily, the tanker was holding only 500 out of a possible 86,000 tons of oil. No one is killed, but 29 people are injured. 24 of them firefighters who are not wearing proper safety gear. This disaster begins when a spark from a torch ignites a leak in a gas line deep in the ship. During the fire and explosions, 214 tons of unburned crude oil leaks into Tulsa Bay. After years of environmental restoration, the bay is returned to normal.